Hey guys, myself Jay, and today in this video I will show you the most important accessories for ostomy is ostomy belt, which I have recently started manufacturing it. So in this video I will show you the demo of vertical belts which are designed for the bag which people put in the vertical direction. So you can see this belt is very flexible, very breathable, and it's washable, guys. This belt is designed for most of the ostomy patient like urostomy patient, colostomy patient, and ileostomy patient. Each and every patient can use this belt, and it will help you in covering your stoma bag, and it will provide you big confidence also. So you can wear this and it will hide your stoma bag. At the same time, it will give you a lot of support, it will give you a lot of confidence. So definitely you can buy this belt from me. I have given my WhatsApp number. You can directly contact me and give your size, address, and you can buy this product. The cost of this belt I have currently kept is 1600. Yes guys, you have to pay 1600 and this belt will come at your doorstep, and I am 100% sure that you will like it. So the cloth of this belt is designed with a high quality of a fabric which is very comfortable. You won't feel any problem even in a very hot sunny day. Yes, you can wear maximum hours in a day and you won't feel any kind of a discomfort. So guys, for what you are waiting for, come on, book the order and get this beautiful ostomy accessories at your doorstep. And I'm 100% sure that once you get this product, you won't be disappointed. So buy it and order it on the WhatsApp number.